Hey there guys, today we're going to be building the Cubby House. Let's check it out. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. I'm going to cut some vertical pieces, those 4 verticals which are going to be the basis of this piece, and then cutting some other pieces which are going to be sitting as the floor, or at least the base of that floor. So get those ones together first, and then you can work off of those as a reference. You want to make sure that you start off this piece by getting a level ground, making sure that you've got a flat surface to work from, and that's going to be your reference point for the rest of it. Once you've got your base structure in place, then you can put it up on the ground and work on it from there. We've got the basic foundation of our Cubby House now. We've got the 4 legs and poles going all the way up to the top. We're just popping the roof on right now. We've got some rails along the sides. And so now it's just about cleaning all of this up, filling in any gaps or holes in the metal, and then grinding all of those back as well. Sheet metal is going to come in standard sizes, which is 1200 millimeters by 2400 millimeters. Our cubby is 1500 millimeters on both sides, so we're going to have to extend that platform just a little bit. So we've got many different versions of this Cubby House. You can either make it out of wood, you can make it out of metal, there's even a concrete version that you can try out. All of these are available on the Playground Ideas website. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.